Remember I said it's almost like many, several. There are several pieces of paper on the floor that I have to pick up. Several. Spell the word several on number 15. Okay, several. Let's check our word together. Spell it with me. Several. 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 Check your word. All right, now we're going to write a sentence. Think of everything you need in order for your sentence to be correct. You need what at the beginning? Yes, a capital letter. Absolutely. Or if there are any proper nouns in there, you're going to need capital letters. Spacing in between your words. And you're going to need what at the end? An end mark. Think about your spelling patterns that you've learned when you're spelling your words. All right, listen to the sentence. Dan went fishing and hooked 3 big fish. Listen again. Dan went fishing and hooked 3 big fish. Say it with me. Dan went fishing and hooked 3 big fish. Your turn. Say that sentence. Yes, Dan went fishing and hooked 3 big fish. Write the sentence on your paper on number 16. Remember everything you need in order for your sentence to be correct. And then we'll check it together. Okay, let's check your word. All right, Dan is it's the first word in the sentence, it's also a proper noun. So even if the word Dan were somewhere else in the sentence, it would still need that capital letter, okay? All right, Dan went fishing, suffix ing there, and hooked. All right, ed, suffix ed, 3 big fish. All right, we're telling you something that's declarative. It ends with a period. Guys, you have to have ing and ed on those words. You can't leave it off, or else the sentence is not correct. So if you did not have your suffixes on there, you need to make sure that they're on. Correct it. We can give you just a minute to check your sentence before we move on to our new part of the lesson. Once you're ready, you can flip your paper over, and pencils are down. All right, boys and girls, echo these words and tell me what sound they all have in common. Echo. Lady, cater, basin. One more time. Lady, cater, basin. What sound do they all have in common? Yes, we hear A. We hear the long A sound. All right, let's look at these words. Lady, cater, basin. All right, how many vowels are in each of these words? Let's look. All right, lady, how many vowels? 1. That's making a vowel sound, right? Lady. So that Y is a vowel. 2. What about in cater? 1, 2, basin. 1, 2. All right, so if there are 2 vowels, how many syllables, guys? 2 vowel sounds equals 2 syllables. You got it. All right, so what do we do when we have more than 1 syllable in the word? We find the vowel pattern and divide the vowels into syllables. That's right. All right, the first thing we do to divide the words into syllables is mark your vowels and find the vowel pattern. All right, so let me turn to my page I code on, guys. Okay, so here's my coding page. All right, so in lady, my vowels are A and Y. All right. Now, what do I do next after I have my vowels? I look for the consonants. All right, so I'm going to look for the consonants. How many consonants are in between? 1. That's right. All right, so let's go to this one. Vowel and vowel. All right, how many consonants are in between? Just 1. Now go to basin. My vowels are A and I. How many consonants are in between? Just that one S, right? Okay. Now, who can tell me what type of vowel pattern this is? It's a what, guys? V, C, V. It's a VCV pattern. That's right. Vowel, consonant vowel pattern. All right, now, this is a new vowel pattern. Vowel, consonant, vowel. The best place to divide a word that follows this pattern is after the first vowel. Where's the best place? After the first vowel. All right. Now, the accent belongs on the first syllable. So let me show you. So after the first syllable, after the first vowel, so here's my first vowel. After that vowel would be here. And my accent goes on the first syllable. Okay? Now, let's code what we have with vowels. All right, we know it says if this vowel is at the end of the syllable, it's going to be long. That's right, it does not have a consonant to make it short. So it says its name. This vowel Y is in a two-syllable word. So it's going to say E. So we won't put the macron over it. We just put the dot. So now, let's sound it out. Lady. Lady. Is that the word we got? Yes, it is. So did we divide it correctly? Yes, we did. All right, so you guys help me on this one. We said the best place to divide is after the first what? After the first vowel. So what's my first vowel? A is my first vowel. So I'm going to put my finger here and divide there. Accent goes on the first syllable. Now let's code it. Vowel is at the end of the syllable is going to say its name. Every time there's not a consonant there, it's going to say its name. And then we have ER that says er. All right. What do I do here? Okay, back. All right, let's sound it out. Cater. What word? Cater. Yeah. They will cater the reception. Cater, that's when they bring in all the fancy food for you. Cater. All right, the next one. All right, the rule is to divide where? After the first vowel. What's my first vowel? A. Put my finger on it and divide right after it. Accent is on the first syllable. First vowel, first syllable. Now, all right, my vowel is all by itself, so it's going to be what? Long and say its name. All right, this vowel is followed by what? It's followed by a consonant, so it's short. All right, let's sound it out. Basin. Basin. Put it together. Basin. Basin. A basin is almost like a big bowl that you can wash things in. A basin. All right, basin. So let's look at your rules. All right, as you're going to learn, as we go through, there'll be lots of ways of this dividing. We're not doing all that. We're right here in number 1. We're going to divide after the first vowel and put an accent on the first syllable. All right. Let's practice some of those words that have the vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. You notice they were all long vowel, right? It's vowel, consonant, vowel. That vowel is going to be long. All right, so let's try sounding some of them out. Number 1, over, over. All right, clap it out. It should be 2 syllables. Listen, over. Is it 2 syllables? Yes, it is. All right, so it's going to have that pattern and it's going to be long. And we hear it at the beginning. That first sound is O. That's right. So it's long vowel, VCV. Here we go. Tell me the sounds you hear in over. Get ready. O. V. Er. Yes, the sounds are O. V. Er. Over. Spell it on number 1. You guys have this. You got it. Spell it. Let's spell it. Over. O-V-E-R. Over. Look, guys. Vowel, consonant, vowel. It's a VCV pattern. Over. Thumbs up if you got it the first time spelling it. Awesome job. Awesome job. Number 2. Number 2, lady, lady. My mom is a lady, lady. Tell me the sounds you hear in lady. Get ready. L, A, D, E, lady. Spell lady on number 2. Lady. L-A-D-Y. Lady. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Remember when we hear E at the end of a word, vowel Y. Vowel Y. All right, number 3. Student. Student. I am a student in Telfair County Schools. Student. Listen to the sounds. This is a big one. Get ready. St. Ooh. All right, that's a long sound. It's sounding ooh, but remember there's a vowel that can do that. It's a long vowel sound. Ood. E. N. T. S. Students. All right, students, that one was hard to hear. All right, this is long U that's making that ooh sound. All right, remember sometimes it can make that sound like in rule. It has the ooh sound. Students, S-T-U-D-E-N-T, student. Vowel, consonant, vowel. That one was tricky. All right, let's do a quick review of what we know about coding. All right, how do we code a vowel that is followed by a consonant in a word? With a breve, it's short. How do we code an open accented vowel? Macron long. Remember, like in these, when we put that division line there, this O is going to be on this side by itself. It is open and it has the accent on it. It's going to be long. That O will say O because it's open and it's long. Okay, how do we code a word that follows the vowel consonant E rule? All right, the vowel needs a macron, and what do we do to the E? Cross out your sneaky E. All right. When we come to a word with two vowel sounds, first we do what? Find the vowels. Then we look between the vowels for the consonants to find the pattern. Then we divide the word and code it. All right, how do we code a final stable syllable? With a bracket, cross out the sneaky E. That's right, accent is on the first syllable. Very good job. All right, on your paper, down at the bottom, you have words. All right, you need to read them to someone out loud and let them check them off. You can spell them orally, that means out loud, and have them check them off as review. Down at the bottom, you have two lines. You need to pick some words out of the box and use them to make sentences. We need to be practicing complete sentences using capital letters, spacing, and end mark. All right. Now, turn your paper over to practice 81. Miss Garth will get her paper ready as well. Okay, look at number 1. Okay. Number 1, what do we see? I see two vowels. Mark your vowels first. So we have O and U. All right, in between it we have how many consonants? We just have one. And what kind of consonant is that, guys? Yeah, it's a C, so it needs K back. Okay. Now, where will we divide? Because it is vowel, consonant, vowel. Our rule says divide after the first vowel. So where is our first vowel? The O. So divide after the O. Accent goes on the first syllable. All right, look at your vowel. It's a O and it's open, we need macron. Now on this side, we have vowel followed by consonant, so it is short. All right, let's sound it out. O, fo, us, focus. What word? Focus. Like I will focus my attention on you. Focus. All right, next word. Number 2. All right, what do you see? All right, we do have 2 vowels, 2 eyes. All right, in between them we have 1 consonant. So our pattern is vowel, consonant, vowel. We divide after the first vowel. Accents on that first syllable. Alright, so this first vowel is open and unaccented. It is, and is accented, I'm sorry. It's open and accented. So we do what? A macron. Right on this side, we have vowel followed by consonant, digraph. So we have short. I'm going to underline my digraph. Alright, so now I can sound it out. I, sh, Irish. What word? Irish. Irish. He is Irish. Irish. All right, next word, number 3. All right, what do we see? 2 vowels again. In between it, we have consonant. So vowel, consonant, vowel again. Our rule tells us to divide after the first vowel. Accents on the first syllable. Alright, that U is all by itself, so it is long. Vowel followed by consonant is short. Alright, let's sound it out. It, unit. What word? Unit. Like the unit we use to measure with is inches or feet. Unit. Alright, number 4. We've had this word already. Alright, 2 vowels. In between is a consonant. Alright, we divide after the vowel. Alright, we have the A, and it's not followed by a consonant, so it is long. Oh, Miss Bowers forgot her accent. Alright, vowel followed by consonant is short. Base, in, basin. What word? Basin. Remember I said a basin is something you can wash in. Right, here's a picture of a basin. Basin. Number 5. Right, we have 2 vowels. Right, in between it, we have how many consonants? Look, guys, we have 2 consonants. Is it the same pattern? No. We've got a vowel, consonant, consonant pattern. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. Where do we divide those? Between the 2 consonants. So I divide here between the 2 P's. Accents on the first syllable. So now I have a vowel followed by a consonant is short. And on this side, we've got the E sound in this word. Alright. App, hap, E, hap, P. What word? Happy. Alright, look at the little girl. She is happy. Happy. Alright, number 6. What do you see? Trigraph D, G, E.